Hi, I'm Bruce from Unior Tools. I'm here to show you our IRONGATOR Engineer's Vise. Our Unior Engineer's IRONGATOR vices also feature a handy quick release system which will allow you to quickly clamp your workpieces in the carbon steel jaws. We also offer softer aluminum jaws for working safe on soft, malleable pieces. An additional accessory available for the IRONGATOR vise is the swivel platform, which allows you quickly and easily to move pieces 360 degrees on your bench. You can see both sizes of our IRONGATOR vise on uniorbiketools.com.